Okay, now let's check the computer or your PC name after restarting your computer. Okay, now let's go to PC, clicks. Hello guys, in this video I would love to share with you how to change your PC name or your computer name. Now let's go to Windows PC together, and then you need to find or you need to click the word settings. Let's go to setting. Okay, when you get here, so that you need to find the word system, or you need to find a setting here, or you need to find this part. Okay, you need to go to system, this one, and then when you get here, so that you need to type the name that you want to find, or you need to go to about. Okay, you go to about together. Okay, when you get here, so that you need to see this one. Okay, device specifications, device name Promont. Okay, this one it's device names Promont. Okay, now I want to change Promont to the another name that I liked. Okay, you need to go here, right? Rename this PC, click this one. Okay, current PC name Promont. Okay, now I change the name to the main, that the name I liked. Okay, the main. Okay, when you change the name here, so that you need to click next here. Be careful this one, you can use a combinations of letters, hyphens and numbers. Okay, be careful with this part. Okay, click the word next. Okay, when you get here, so that you need to click the word restart now. When you click the word restart now, your PC's name will change, right? If you don't click restart now, your PC will not change. So that you need to restart your computer. Okay, now let's check the computer or your PC name after restarting your computer. Okay, now let's go to PC, clicks, go to setting, and then you need to go to this one, system. Okay, and go to about, click the word about. Okay, so that this one it's changed the name, device name the main. In the previous time its name's Promont. Okay, now it changed to the main. Okay, thank you for watching, subscribe for more, see you next video.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.